Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about comparing object in JavaScript. Here is that we got the first object have a name called obj and have two property. The first one is name, have a value Darish, and have another property called age, have a value of 30. Alright, so right now I created another object, have a name called object2, and what I did here, actually I said that please object1 and object2, both of you refer to the same address, and this address on the memory have that property and value, and that address on the memory maybe 1000, maybe 2000, we don't care, but we care that both of them are referring to the same block on the memory. And if I compare object to object2, look at that, what it will give me. But before we see the result out of here, we need to check it out on the paint. Look at the paint here. What we did here is, object1 and object2 is referring to 1000 address on the memory, and if you go to that address on the memory, you will find there two property. The first property called it name and the other one called it age have the same values. So that's exactly what we did right now. So let's get back again to our code and see what it will be the result. And here is it, the output is basically true because both of them are referring to the same address. Let me prove it for you as well. Here is it, I will do one thing. I will take that part as a copy and just paste it out here. In that case, I created two objects. Object 1 have those property, object 2 have the same property with the same values. But guess what? If you try to compare both of them, guess what? He will tell you, sorry, it's false. It's false. Why? Because both of them right now doesn't refer to the same address. Object 1 maybe refer to the same address 1000. That one you created another object, and this another object created a different place on the memory with a different address. So if he try here to compare between two addresses, he will tell him, I'm sorry, it's false. Yeah, I know. This is totally different from what you do with normal variable. That's why here I bring for you two variables. The first one x equals 3 and the other variable y equals 3. If you try to compare both of them with a triple equal, he will tell you true because same value, same data type. But guess what? If you as well compare with double equal, that one as well will tell you true because both of them have the same value. It will be the same if you do with string, but in object world is totally different. You are here comparing between the address, not about data type, not about the value. Thank you for watching.